Hello friends, welcome back to Crackerjack. In this video, I'll be talking about global warming, which is definitely the greatest environmental challenge that the planet Earth is facing at present. Global warming is basically the rise in global temperature. Many reasons may be there for global warming. The primary and main cause is considered to be the greenhouse gas effect. This effect is mainly caused due to the greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbons and nitrous oxide which is released into the atmosphere. The human activities that contribute to the release of such gases are due to burning of fossil fuels to generate electricity and gases released from vehicles and industries. When these gases are released into the atmosphere, they tend to absorb solar radiation that otherwise naturally bounces off the Earth's surface. And these pollutants that trap solar radiation suspends in the atmosphere for centuries and raises the global temperature. This is called the greenhouse gas effect. Global warming is affecting many parts of the world. Global warming makes the sea rise, and when the sea rises, the water covers many lowland islands. This is a big problem for many of the plants, animals, and people on islands. Global warming is doing many things to humans as well as plants and animals. It is killing algae, but it is also destroying many huge forests. The pollution that causes global warming is linked to acid rain. Acid rain gradually destroys almost everything it touches. Global warming is also causing many more fires that wipe out whole forests. This happens because global warming can make the earth very hot. In forests, some plants and trees' leaves can be so dry that they catch on fire. Due to the rise in average temperature of the earth, agricultural crops, forest and life growth is affected adversely. Now, it's time to do something to prevent global warming. First of all, air pollution has to be controlled. So, one can start using energy efficient appliances and drive a fuel efficient vehicle that will reduce the harmful release of gases into the atmosphere to a tremendous extent. The government is also taking action by introducing electric cars. Since all of the causes are due to burning fossil fuels to provide electricity, we can do our part by being responsible for the use of electricity in our day-to-day life. Like buying bulbs that will use energy to do the same work, and we can also pull the plug when not in use. The other way is to power our house with renewable energy and reduce our electricity consumption and bills. We can effectively start doing this today by spreading this message to our near and dear ones and help reduce global warming, thus conserving our planet.